fee. Guys, you want to make sure you use whatever amount of water that they typically use. And if you're carrying RO water with you, you definitely want to use that. Okay? Then you want to use 25% less ingredients. So if you ask them how many scoops do you put in your coffee, if they say 4, you want to put 3. If they say 3, you want to put like 2.5. But you use less. That way when they drink it, they can taste the savings. Okay? Now, I have one more test left to do. It's really the most impressive test that I do. Okay? But before I do that, I want to get some figures from you. Where do you guys do your shopping at?
Walmart.
At Walmart? Okay, great. Now, you have 4 people in the home here. Okay? And how many loads of laundry do you do per week?
4.
4? Okay. And on your laundry detergent, what kind do you buy?
Okay, Tide.
You buy Tide? Okay. And how often do you go through one of those bottles? Like 1 a month, 1 every 2 months?
About 1 a month.
1 a month, okay. And for Tide, and we did some price matching on the internet a couple months ago. For Tide, I got the medium-sized bottle at $11.99. Is this the size that you buy?
Yes.
So would you agree it's right around $12?
Yes.
And you're going through 1 a month, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So let me write 12 down here. Now, pre-treatment, do you use anything like spray and wash, shout, OxyClean, anything like that?
No.
No? Okay. What about fabric softener for the washing machine? Do you
Yes.
use anything like that? And what kind do you buy?
Downy.
You buy Downy, okay? And how often do you go through a bottle of that? Once a month, once every 2 months, once every 2 weeks, once every 2 months, okay? And for Downy, I've got Downy right here, medium-sized bottle at $5.99. Does that sound about right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll call it $6 over 2 months. That would be $3 a month. You feel comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then do you guys use dryer sheets as well?
Yes.
Okay, and what kind do you buy?
Bounce.
Bounce, and how long does the box of Bounce last?
About 4 months.
About 4 months, okay. And I've got a box here. They're showing a box of Bounce medium size is $5.97. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll call it $6 over 4 months. We could say $1 a month conservatively, couldn't we? Okay. All right. And then, do you guys use bleach at all?
I do.
Okay, and how long does a bottle of the bleach last you?
About 3 months.
About 3 months, okay. And I've got bleach here. My worksheet came out. I've got bleach here at $3.94. Does that sound about right? Okay, we'll call it $4. And you said over 3 months. Is that right? So we could say
It could be over 4 months. You can do over 4 months. So it's $1 a month.
Okay, so $1 a month conservatively. Okay. All right. And then do you guys use bleach for color at all?
No.
Okay. So if we add all that up, we've got 9 and 12 is 21, 22. So can we feel pretty confident that you're spending, give or take $1 or $2, at least $22 a month to clean your clothes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, dishwasher, do you guys use it?
Absolutely.
Okay. And how many loads of dishes do you do per week, you think?
7.
7. Okay. And dish detergent, what kind do you buy?
Cascade.
Cascade, liquid powder or pods?
Pods.
Okay. All right. And how long does a box of those pods last you?
Through 5 months.
5 months for a box of pods? Okay. And I've got the pods right down here, Cascade, for $15. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
So we could say what? $3 a month?
Yeah.
Okay, right?
Yes.
15 over 5 months, right?
You're right.
Okay, so $3 a month. Okay. And then do you guys use jet dry at all?
No.
Okay. And then dish soap. What kind of dish soap do you buy for like your pots, your pans?
Dawn.
Dawn. Okay. And how long does a bottle of Dawn last you?
About 3 months.
About 3 months. Okay. And I've got Dawn right here for $8.95, $9. Does that sound right?
Yeah, we use the big one.
Okay. So 3 months at $9. So we could say conservatively $3 a month.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So if we add all that up, we could feel pretty confident, give or take $1 either way. You're spending at least $6 to clean your dishes.
Easily.
Okay. Now the next one is your miscellaneous cleaners. Okay. Right. And what miscellaneous cleaners? It's just everything else you're using to clean your home.
Well, he does the miscellaneous
cleaning,
so.
Yeah, we're talking about your kitchen sink, your kitchen countertop, your kitchen appliances, your kitchen floors. We're talking about your carpet, your windows, your coffee tables, bathroom floor, bathroom sink, toilets, shower doors, bathtubs, just all of it. Now, the average family will spend anywhere between $5, $10, $15, and $20 a month on all their miscellaneous cleaners combined. Where do you think your family fits in?
About around enough. I'll say probably about maybe $20, $25.
20, 25. So conservatively, at least $20 a month. All right, great. Now, the last thing is personal care. Okay. Now, you have 4 people in the home. How many different bottles of shampoo are we using?
2.
2 different bottles. One for you guys, one for the kids?
No, one for the girls and one for the guys.
One for the girls, one for the guys. Okay. And how often do the girls go through a bottle of shampoo?
We do about a month.
One a month. Okay. And on average, what do you think you're spending for that?
About $20.
About $20 once a month. Okay. And then what about you, or the men? You may know better than him. How often do you guys go through a bottle?
Axe, everything in one. So.
Okay, all in one.
Yeah.
And how often are we going through a bottle of that? Once every 2 weeks? Once a month?
Every month.
Once every month?
Still once a month.
And what's that running you?
$6.
See, I've got Axe right here. Or I don't have Axe for the body wash, but I do have like Swab and Tresemme and.
It's about $6.
About $6. Okay. So we'll say 26 conservatively. Okay. All right. Now, what about conditioner? Is anyone using conditioner in the home?
No, the conditioner is included in that 20.
Okay, perfect. All right. And then what about, do you guys use anything like a leave-in conditioner or detangler or anything like that? Okay. And I know the guys are using their Axe, but the ladies for the body, are you guys using body wash or are you using bar soap?
We're using body wash.
Body wash, do you guys all share or do you each have your own?
She has her own, I have my own.
Okay, and how often do you go through a bottle of yours?
Once a month.
Once a month, and what's yours running?
About $12.
$12, okay. And then what about her? How often does she go through one?
She goes to Bath and Body Works, so it's probably about the same.
About $12. Does she go through it once a month, once every 2 months?
Once every 2 months.
So we're looking at $6 for her then a month, okay? So we can feel pretty confident, give or take $18.
Right.
Okay. All right, and then I would assume probably not enough to even count, even if you have any bar soap, right?
We don't do bar
Okay.
soap.
All right, and then what about? Are you guys a lotions family at all? You look like you love your lotions. What do you think you spend a month on lotions? Just the overall total, $5, $10, $15, $20 a month.
It depends on the season, but we'll average it out to about $3 a month.
$3 a month. Okay, let's cut that in half. Okay, so that's $1.50. We'll call it $1 though. Okay, and then are you guys a bubble bath family at all?
I do take bubble baths.
Okay, and how often you go through a bottle of your bubble bath?
Probably once every 3 months.
Once every 3 months. And do you use Mr. Bubbles too, like
Yes,
me?
I do.
Yeah, I love Mr. Bubbles.
I do.
Okay, once every 3 months. What do you think a bottle of your bubble bath's running?
Probably $1 a month.
$1 a month. Okay, perfect. So if we add that up, we got 26 and 18 is 44. Okay, 45, 46. So give or take $1 or $2, we could say you're spending roughly $46 a month on your personal care. And if we add it all up, we've got 68 and 6 is 74, 74 and 20. Give or take $1. Give or take $1 or $2 either way. Can we feel fairly confident you guys are spending $94 a month on all your cleaning products? Okay, now
That's too expensive.
for my last test, guys, and this is really the most impressive test that I do. It's called the washing machine test. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these flasks here. I'm going to fill it up with the filtered water. Okay, rinse it out, just make sure nothing's in there from the towel test that we just did. And we're going to fill it up to the 150 milliliter mark with this good water. Again, the carbon and the resin in there, they're just acting like a magnet, dust to metal, pulling the sediment out of the water. Okay, then we're going to take this other one and we're going to fill it up with tap water, and we rinse that one out too. And we're going to fill it up to the 150 milliliter mark. Okay, now what I want y'all to do is I want you guys to imagine that each one of these flasks here is a washing machine or a dishwasher. Okay, and what I've got some tea soap here. Now this is just pure soap. Okay, and what I want you to do is I want you to imagine that each drop of soap that I put in there is going to be $1. Okay, now if you haven't figured it out yet, guys, I'm only putting 5 in there because I can only count to 5. Have you guys figured that one out? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and when we put the lids on these, okay, and we swirl them around, you should be able to see a big difference here in the water, right? Okay, here's your tap water. You see the cloudiness? Just like the color your whites become? Okay, that's because the soap is stuck to the sediment that's in the water. Over here, nothing. The soap's sitting on top. Okay, now if we shake these up, you're going to notice a bit of a difference here, guys. One, you get a ton of soap suds, right? One, you get none, okay? The reason no soap suds, again, the soap is stuck to the sediment that's in the water, okay? The problem is, in the cleaning process, it's the soap's job to lift the dirt and the grime up. It's the water's job to rinse or to clean away. So, unfortunately, guys, when you have hard water and the soap is stuck in the water, you're going to have to use a whole lot more soap, aren't you?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
What do you guys think? Let's add another $15. We'll add another $15 in here. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that puts us at $20 to 5. Okay, and this should come out here, right here, guys. So you can see where you could save a little bit of money on your cleaning products with good, clean, conditioned water, couldn't you?
Yes.
And there you go. Maybe not yet. Okay, what do you think? We'll add another $10 right here. Take it up to 30. That should do it. Okay, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that puts us at $30. So now you're starting to see where there's a decent amount of savings here when you use clean conditioned water, isn't there? Okay, and there you go. Maybe not yet. Okay, let's add another $15 here. That'll put us at 45. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? Shake this up and this should come out. So now you guys can see where you'll save a ton of money on your cleaning products, don't you? $5 to 45 and we're still not quite there. Okay? Guys, so with good water, you're going to use a whole lot less cleaning products, okay? And based off of the clarity of the water, doesn't that kind of explain how your hand rinse complete?
Yeah.
Your towel rinse complete? And your glass rinse complete?
Right.
Okay? You use clean conditioned water, not only do you get a better clean, but you also save a ton of money on your cleaning products, okay? Oops. Here we go. Filter water means you use up to 85% less soap. Clothes are softer, whiter, and brighter. Hair is softer and shinier. No bathtub rings, and your cars are shinier. Now, if you guys could have quadruple filtered water at every single tap of your home, and it didn't cost you a single penny, you would do it, wouldn't you?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. I got some other things to go over with you. Let's go ahead and let's move to the kitchen table.